Three members of the Voice of the People's Party (VPP) had staged a walkout during the all-party meeting called by the government on 19th May 2023. The reason for this gesture followed from the unsatisfactory response received from the state government, where only the roster system was discussed without any sort of reference to the reviewing of the reservation policy of 1972. The president of the VPP, Ardent M. Basamoit, was highly dissatisfied with the government's response to the implementation of the roster system, has threatened to go on an indefinite hunger strike from the 23rd of May until the issue is resolved.
Shared and discussed concerns about the roster system, and a lot of inputs have come in, and a detailed presentation on what is a roster and how the roster works, and all the details and nitty-gritties of the system have been explained to the different leaders of different political parties. Most of the political parties who are present here right now on the dais with me have seen the presentation and are satisfied seeing what the details are. I have explained to everybody that the roster system is a continuous process. It starts from 72 and it continues. It is important for us to understand the starting point because it allows us to understand where we are in the roster today. But while we say that, we have to also remember that in the past 50 years, whatever has happened in the recruitment process, which we have brought in the roster system, is something that has been done based on reservation policy and based on the rules of reservation policy. Hence, for us today, to go back into the facts and figures and go back into the appointments that have been made during that time under whatever process that was done, is not possible for us to go back and make changes into it. And hence, the data and information allows us to plot and understand where we stand in the sequence. But as I said, the option or the concern that we will go back and change things in the past does not arise.
Kiwan nagapar election banong dan syagri nam tagi kon samra nam tagi nomrap nam tagi nombras ni ndai ban syagri uto konrap kaya yuki bagi nongkong ini keren ya kata ke reception policy balai kiting komal ang nado kasngi ke bentong ke jinting ke juki namar ki snoto tang chue keren yang reception policy lahapan kongu ya kanorim jongga voice of the people party. Dan mengatakan kopi patba yang sedang yang ini kejeki kejini yang pengkre agak ini sisi asni yang lepas lagi yang kisen yang pelak jimut yang sah boleh nombor nol tahu nganong ipi ala dia ngam duk mensim haba kipene akum dia lapen kemah yang ayu paru kumno boleh lapen dono dia paru mereka haba kur haban pendem nyenom kenran din ai bakin dono nyen pet kamno kilaban dono nyene ki hadu bakin haban pendam hakasur kajong upat ba nanta ki emri khasi ji plastam ban kren bau garu unsaki katar kadi ki konshot ki jongki nyenom kren ben garu nakane ki jialang ki soba em nyem persya ai ki para garu ji ka jire ji kolombe ka sarkar md Kecilnya kecil kedai ni sarkar MD. Bagi kita ki parti baru kita mencur. Kerana kalau kecil kot kejawa, yang itu kita dan kecil terlem. Nam nak jat beriu, lapidan nak Kongres, lapidan nak BJP, lapidan nak Sengriu Rum, lapidan kecil sekolah nam tak kena hak. Jadi konsamla elo lagi parti di Jopi akan lagi power komita. Ini trailang, bandera yang kecil kerana. Wakong bagai jingit parti kan kam krau dia jingit juga jat beriu oh kata kadai kam syat kala lalang ini dia ke parti ini dia ke jat beriu ini kuat dan bu dia ke jat beriu ke parti hadir ke parti kadai benar hadir dari mar kata kadau jadi tu ke benar ke jingit telam kajin kot na ni ka jilang galong wan mane snok tilang bani ka we ban pri ba shisha kadang ka jinko ka ba crowd hakani ka reservation policy ban nyemna namar kata kadau ban ong ba pin kli na do snyam nyo puar ba pin pa ni kata roster ban penkre na do snyam nyo puar bat ban pin shitom iki sama namar ka policy ka sha piladai ban tip kumno la thekam ya kita kin rupo nyopo persen di kasi namar bamdan ban yin pin tignaru ban yin shasho ban pendap di ka bha ji ki paraji na par jo ka jela ji ka tai nei pelong tangan ta ki badan hopo ka jela me bhalia yin shasho ban pendap juo larga polisi min shwa ka sha ka dei pelong kumcho hagani ka kinti ka bamta haba phimra atien bal aila ne se daga we ka kom prakhat nyemdei bandon ka jingso khonyo habathe nei kini menta ki kli nado katai ka por lakumba kata ka jingthat kam kalong illegal